Step-by-step guide. Getting started with BingX Exchange for beginners. Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on getting started with the BingX Exchange. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies or simply looking to expand your trading horizons, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you on a step-by-step journey through the process of signing up, depositing funds, and navigating the BingX platform like a pro. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the exciting world of crypto trading. BingX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly platform for trading a wide range of digital assets. With its advanced trading tools, robust security measures, and excellent customer support, BingX has quickly become a popular choice among both novice and experienced traders. Step 1. Create an account. The first step in your BingX journey is to create an account. Visit the official BingX website www.binx.com and click on the Register button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password. Once you've filled out the necessary information, an email verification link will be sent to your inbox. Click on the link to activate your account. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 during the registration process to take advantage of exclusive bonuses and promotions offered by BingX. Step 2. Complete Know Your Customer verification. To ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and enhance security, BingX requires users to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. This involves submitting a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. The verification process is straightforward and typically takes a few minutes to complete. Step 3. Set up two-factor authentication to FA. BingX prioritizes the security of your account and funds, which is why it's crucial to enable two-factor authentication to FA. This added layer of security requires you to enter a one-time code generated by an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy or received via SMS whenever you log in or perform sensitive operations. Setting up 2FA is a simple process that significantly enhances the protection of your account. Step 4. Deposit funds. Once your account is fully set up and verified, it's time to deposit funds. BingX supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and cryptocurrencies. To deposit fiat currency, GBP, navigate to the deposit section of the platform and follow the on-screen instructions. For cryptocurrency deposits, you'll need to copy the relevant wallet address provided by BingX and send your funds from an external wallet or exchange. Step 5. Navigate the BingX trading interface. BingX's trading interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for beginners. The interface provides real-time market data, charting tools, and order books for various trading pairs. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the different sections and features, such as the order entry panel, trading history, and portfolio management tools. Step 6. Place your first trade. With funds in your account, you're ready to place your first trade on BingX. The platform supports various order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Before executing a trade, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis to make informed decisions. BingX also offers a demo account feature, allowing you to practice trading with virtual funds before risking your real capital. Step 7. Explore additional features. BingX offers a range of additional features to enhance your trading experience. These include 1. Spot trading. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. 2. Futures trading. Trade cryptocurrency derivatives with leverage. 3. Staking. Earn rewards by staking your crypto assets. 4. Lending. Lend your cryptocurrencies to earn interest. 5. Earn crypto. Participate in various campaigns and earn crypto rewards. 6. BingX Academy. Access educational resources to improve your trading skills. Step 8. Stay updated and engaged. The cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic with constant news, updates, and developments. To stay ahead of the curve, follow BingX on social media platforms like Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. Engage with the community, participate in discussions, and stay informed about new listings, promotions, and educational opportunities. Remember, trading cryptocurrencies involves risks, and it's crucial to manage your risk exposure and invest only what you can afford to lose. BingX provides a secure and user-friendly platform, but ultimately, the responsibility for your trades lies with you. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration to take advantage of exclusive bonuses and promotions offered by BingX. We hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with a solid foundation to begin your journey on BingX. Happy trading, and may the crypto